Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to publish an article in Joomla 3.x. Log into your Joomla dashboard. Hover your mouse on the Content tab. Select Articles from the drop-down menu to open Article Manager. As you can see, we have created 2 articles. Now let's go to the front end of the website. As you can see, none of the articles are showing up on the front end of the website. To publish these articles, go back to your Joomla dashboard. Click on the title of the article to open it. In the right sidebar, click on the drop-down arrow below the status section. Select Published from the drop-down list. Click on Save and Close. Now go to the front end of the website and hit refresh. As you can see, article is published. Go back to your Joomla dashboard again. This time, click the X icon next to the article you want to publish. Now go to the front end of the website and hit refresh. As you can see, article is published. This is another simple method to publish articles. This is how you can publish articles in Joomla 3.x. Thank you for watching.